Hello, welcome back to another trade video. Let's do some market analysis. Starting off on the daily time frame, we are bearish. Less respecting this daily fair value gap here. And did we close below 0.78? I don't think so, actually. No, not yet. I'd say we're still bearish. With this breakout structure to the downside, a little retrace and respecting the gap, coming back down. So unless we want to inverse it today, I think we're bearish. It's the same on this ES. Yes, it's the same on ES, respecting that gap. And if we were bullish, this move up would have been a lot bigger. Well, that's yesterday or last week in general would have been a lot bigger. We got rejected in that gap. In the 4 hour, that means we should have a big retrace into the fair value gap. Yes, we do. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, yes, we do. Retraced into that. Rejected off of it. Broke structure in the 4 hour to the downside. So looks like we have some targets to the downside over here. No. Is that an S&T? No, it's not. Okay. Yeah. Some targets here. To the upside, it's these. On the 1 hour, let's check the 2 hour first. There's this 2 hour gap. It's also a 1 hour gap, and there should be 30-minute, 15-minute. Overall, it's just a big imbalance here. Let's just mark out equilibrium so that we can retrace into it. So yeah, ideally, we go back into that point there, like 0.6, before we make a move down. Yeah, so that's where I want to see us get a retrace up to before we start going down to take out these lows. I don't think we're going to get all the way down there today, but you never know. We've had candles like this, so it's very well possible. Let me just think, if we were bullish, what would we want right here? We'd want to take out these lows first. That's equilibrium. Yes. And then we'd want to make a move back up. So either way, we'd want to take these lows. So that's why I like taking shorts here. And it's also some low resistance liquidity here. Like stacked up, boom, 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 boom. And the highs are like boom, boom, boom. It's like high resistance liquidity. You can't get that smoothly. So yeah, I'm more bearish. Let me just analyze this 4 hour. So we didn't really break structure there. Came down and then we broke structure. We swiped out that high, filled in that fair value gap, and we broke structure again back down. So yeah, I think that was a little retrace to cover up that big move down before going strongly down even more. Let's see if we're correct or not. Currently down 750 on the 50k eval and also the 150k express account. Let's see if today's the day that we recover that. Top step dashboard wants to load even. That wouldn't be good if it didn't load. Let me see if I can fix it real quick. Got a bit of an issue here. It looks like Top Step is acting up once again. It's like every month with this firm, man. Anyway, news. There's 3 p.m. news coming out. We should be okay for that. It's just orange folder. 1:30 came out. What did that do? Left a data wick there. So we might sweep that the moment market opens. could just drop down straight into equilibrium on high time frame the minute market opens, then shoots up. But this is some kind of model to the downside. Come up, sweep, and start building down. We get a retrace and then go down even more. Hopefully, at least. Wishful thinking. Let's check 15-minute fair value gaps because they're super strong. So yeah, we want to go up there ideally. Just tap into that equilibrium zone. Rebalance that, move down. Okay, to fix this off. Oh, this could be bad. This could be bad. I hope they give us like a free count if this goes all the way to market open. I wouldn't mind another free 150k, you know. Okay, I'll be back for market. Alright, I fixed it. Well, I didn't fix it, I just kept refreshing it. But we're back. I have this up because I was putting it on this shit. My dashboard. This thing is so clean, bro. I know it's a red day there, but it looks so nice, man. This makes me want to journal my trades. Oh damn, everything is in the middle now. Okay, let me show you what it looks like here. Where did I write my notes? It wasn't notebook, actually. It was, yeah, trade view. So if you click here, you can scroll down and you see some notes. This is a trade I took, blah blah blah. I took this trade. Inverse fair value gap to the downside after we tapped into some 15-minute fair value gap, and I want to try to get lower. And then I was a bit skeptical about this trade, so I moved to break even. Got stopped out, and I was still short. We retraced up here, and we were making a move down. I don't know why I didn't take the trade. I was a bit, yeah, I should have taken it because that would have been a nice little 1 to 2, something like that. But yeah. It's good to know. You can put notes here and you can look back on them. And it shows you exactly when you execute it too, bro. I've been sleeping on TradeZella. Delete that. And I also journaled this one yesterday. This loss. I took this trade. And right after we inversed it, because we tapped into equilibrium, I said that we could have a chance of, you know, inversing it and continuing along because we're in equilibrium. So I should have taken this trade after I got stopped out. But I got stopped out and my rule is 1 loss a day. So yeah, I wasn't bad about it because I follow my rules. I saw loads of people getting stopped out on this too, so I knew I wasn't the odd one out. But yeah, because it was showing signs of both bullish and bearish, so what can you do? It's kind of a 50-50 there. Yeah, next time is noted. If I'm a bit skeptical, move to break even early. That way, if my trade idea is wrong, I can catch another one and actually hit a 1 to 2. I could have hit yesterday. Even potential for 1 to 3 actually. Oh well, I'm not mad about it. Market is about to open. Let's see. We've got a lot of staggered highs here. A nice little 5 manipulation is calling. Which one is a more bullish pair? Let's check the 4-hour for this. I like to base on the higher time frame. The S&Ts. It looks like Nasdaq is a more bullish one. So maybe Nasdaq comes up and takes out those highs. ES stays low, and we'll see what happens. You have to be careful of that equilibrium zone though. Could tap it and then reverse back up. Be very, very wary. So even though I'm short, I'll still look for entry confirmations long. So if I am in a short position, I can be careful and be like, oh shit, this is a really A+ setup for longs here. So I can either move to break even or just opt out the trade in general. We're going to take data lows. If we leave data lows and go up, take some 5-minute, that's high confluence for shorts, bro. Or let's see if we're even going to move. Because news comes out in 30 minutes. Orange for the yes, but sometimes market likes to consolidate until then. So now would be a perfect day to wait for that 10-minute rule. So not trading until 2:40 for me. Or 9:40 for the Americans. I'm not seeing much volatility. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try that again. Okay. We might get that manipulation on the 5 minute. People just instantly longing or shorting this. I think if you long or short market open, you're pretty much gambling, bro. But that's when the biggest manipulations can happen. I did that in my career, starting my career, because I traded London session and then I hold my trade until New York AM. That shit would fuck me, bro. Hey, okay, 5 minute manipulation, SMT, some nice little, you feel me? Is that a fair value gap I see? This would genuinely be the quickest entry I've ever done, but I'm not going to, of course. It's not part of my trading rules. Break even, I think, at either data lows or this low here, and then take it all the way down there. 2, 1. Yes, we did get a fair value gap. A gap that's very fair in value. Someone forwarded, it wasn't me though. I don't know what the fuck that was. Okay. Let's see what we're getting here. Let's get rid of this. I'm not taking this trade yet. I'll keep that there just in case after 10 minutes we're still around this area. I haven't tapped into any 15-minute fair value gaps. Ideally, we tap into at least this one after manipulating, and we have an SMT. I'll be clean. Okay, we fell back down to that 1 minute on ES. Oh, we inversed the even. People probably taking the short right here. I think they'll be rewarded too, but I just want to be extra safe. Or they might get stopped out right here. Dope. Okay. Billie Jean. Christian Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I 62% long? What are they seeing that I'm not? Okay, people shorting here are about to get stopped out. Or will they be saved? Ooh, barely survive. Man, let me put on my fucking One Piece hoodie, bro. It's freezing. Here we go. First 5 minutes about to close. Looks like the sell-off is starting soon. We're about to take data lows. ES is selling off, bro. Okay, we took data lows. On both pairs. On both pairs. Undertook new. Damn, bro. Ooh. You entered this trade right here. God damn. We'll be making moves on you. Okay, we took in New York PM. There's an SMT there though. We have to be very careful here. I'm still short, but if we reject strongly off of this. Damn, someone farted again. Fuck. Okay. Let's see. Dropped back into equilibrium. And a 1 minute gap. Ideally, we make a fair value gap here. But you have to be careful. The SMT is scaring me at the minute, bro. Oh, there goes the fair value. People are probably longing this now because of the SMT. What the fuck am I doing? What the fuck? Go away, bro. Damn. Oh my god. No, it's still short. We haven't broke structure to the upside, so I'm not going to be able to get an entry yet. God damn. Oof. Let's check the 4 hour. We tap into equilibrium. Yes, we did. And is there an SMT? Tiny bit. With ES, that's the one that wants to go higher. It's a bit interesting. Okay, trading window's now open. Let's see, if we were to short, it'd have to be low here. The stop up there. God dang, it's a big ass stop. Okay, short here. Break even at this low. Damn. Now where are TPs? Oh fuck. We just about to get stopped out already. I think so, man. God damn. Holy shit. That was Jesus. Hmm. Well, that's that, I guess. See you guys tomorrow.